Oh, and here we are. We're talking about GMO now. Now, I'm not too familiar with what it is. I know it's genetically modified foodstuff, isn't it? So, can you tell me why it's no good? Surely it's better if it's modified.
Well, it's been proven so far to damage animals. So they've given it to, I think it was sheep. Was it sheep or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, they'd eaten it, and it had given them like brittle bone disease, and it messes with their like cell structure and DNA.
Oh wow!
And then that in turn goes into the human food chain.
Yes.
And you know, we don't really know the results of it yet because we're sort of living
So
it now. Aren't we?
these things can actually mess with our DNA.
That's right. Yeah.
Well, that's what they're doing to the plants, and nature is best.
Wow.
Nature is best.
So, are we growing any of this food stuff near us? Is that
They've done potatoes. They've done potato
Boston.
trials in the UK, haven't they? Somewhere quite close by.
I think it was Boston. I'm not quite sure.
Yeah.
Lincolnshire.
okay? Is this something that people sort of have to get sort of able to do it? Do they have to get something so that they can do this, or can anybody sort of grow GMO
Not
food?
in this country at the moment.
Need a license.
Yeah, but in other places like in America, it's it's.
There's a lot. I know there's a lot in
Yeah,
America.
yeah.
Wasn't it supposed to be that it was good because it was something good for the bees? Because they wouldn't have to put anything to stop bees or something.
I'm not sure.
Not sure about that one. I don't think it's probably one of them.
It's probably pretty bad for bees, to be honest.
So is it something that you think that we might be able to do in this country in the future if we don't put a stop to it?
I think it'd be horrendous if they did. I mean, one of the problems they've had in America is that it can like cross-pollinate. So if they've got a patent on a certain strain and it crosses into another farmer's field, then that means that they then own that crop. And that's what was happening in America.
Oh,
and
wow.
Taking over people's land. Yeah. And also the fact that it's no good for our insects, our nature, our wildlife. It's mutated, it's messed with, it's just not right.
Wrong.
Yeah, that's quite dangerous. And if you think you could own some land, you're growing your crops on it, and then it cross-pollinates, and they say we own all those crops.
Yeah,
right, yeah.
well, native species, it's quite worrying. Yeah.
Right. Is this something you think that we need to, although that it doesn't look like it's going to happen yet in this country, is this something that we need to be aware of? And do we need
Well,
to
it's already in this country because it's on the supermarket shelves. You know, there are places like B&M Bargains where you can pick up things that actually say they have genetically modified ingredients in them.
Right.
You know, and people don't know enough about it.
So-
They're
right.
just eating this.
So although it's not grown in this country, we can still buy the products.
Well, there's a massive amount of products that use, GMO ingredients.
Mhm.
And they are doing test trials, and I don't know if they're still doing them in this country, but people need to go and do their own research again. And find out
Research
what's
it.
going on.
And do you think we should check our food labels?
Yeah, you can
Most
go
definitely.
online and get lists of companies that are using these products, these ingredients, so.
And that's available online. So
Yeah.
if we just did a search for companies that use GMO, would that just sort of come up with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to
Right.
grow our